Learning English doesn't have to be hard. Sometimes, it's just about choosing the right words to sound more fluent and natural. Today, we're going to look at how you can upgrade simple, everyday phrases to more advanced and natural-sounding English. Instead of saying, "do it alone," try saying, "do it by yourself." It sounds more confident and polished. Next, instead of, "you first," you can say, "after you." It's a polite and more refined way to let someone go ahead. Start again becomes, "start over." Shorter, cleaner, and more natural. Do it slowly. You can say, "go slow." This version is more casual and conversational. Be satisfied is fine, but be content feels more calm and expressive. Come back quickly sounds a bit robotic. Try hurry back instead. Or if you want someone to stay, swap "stay right here" for "stay put." It's short, clear, and direct. Instead of "open the door," say "answer the door." This is what native speakers use more often. Need someone to step away? Say "stand off" instead of "stand away." Move a bit sounds okay, but "scoot over" is way more natural in everyday conversation. Stop interfering. Try "stop meddling." It's a bit more expressive. And instead of "do not touch," simply say "hands off." Firm and to the point. When the phone rings, don't say "pick up the phone," say "answer the phone." And finally, instead of saying "bye-bye," try "see ya." It's friendly, relaxed, and casual. Upgrading your English doesn't mean using big words. It's about using the right words at the right time. Keep practicing, and soon these advanced phrases will become a natural part of your conversation. Like, share, and subscribe for more English tips.